Hi everyone and Puan Sheila. We are students from DPM4C. Today we are going to do a video presentation for our personality development course. There are 4 group members in our team, starting from myself, Dachanisha, daughter of M. Manivannan, followed by Subhashini, daughter of M. Venkadesan, followed by Vageswarna, daughter of Seher, and lastly, Rabiatul Sofia binti Arafin. Before we get deeper into the presentation, let me read our question that we chose, which is Habit 5. That is, seek first to understand, then to be understood. The situation given is you are leading a team meeting where there are diverse perspectives and opinions on an important issue. So, how would you foster open communication and active listening to ensure that everyone feels heard and understood before seeking consensus or making decisions? Followed by that, I would like to give a brief explanation about what is Habit 5. Now, Habit 5 is all about communication and listening. It means focusing on understanding others before making yourself understood. You listen carefully to what someone is saying or trying to see things from their point of view. It is like pretty much putting yourself in their shoes and showing that you care about what they are saying, even if you do not have to agree. You still respect their opinion. Then, when it is your turn to speak, you explain your thoughts clearly, simply, and accurately so that others can understand you much better. This way, everyone will feel respected and included in the conversation, and also together you can find solution to the problems that is being faced in a team meeting. Next, we will move to the body of content.
Now we are looking at body of content. How would you foster open communication understood before making consensus or making decision? The first thing is set the stage. I will establish a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere where all the voices are valued, beginning with stating the purpose of discussion and the importance of open communication. For an instant, I start by saying, "Good morning, everyone. Today we are gathered to discuss the upcoming project deadline and to ensure that we are all on the same page." After that, I would also emphasize the significance of hearing from each team members, encouraging participations by ensuring everyone that all of their insights are valued. For an example, using words like, "We value everyone's input, so please do not hesitate to speak up and to share your insights as we go through this discussion." Secondly, we have active listening. Active listening plays an important role in fostering meaningful dialogues and for the understanding during the meeting. As the team members begin to share their perspectives and their point, it's very essential to give them my full attention. I also engage in active listening by maintaining eye contact, using nonverbal cues like nodding to show engagement, and also reflecting back to what the speaker is saying to demonstrate understanding. For example, using words like, "It sounds like you are concerned about the deadline." I would also encourage further contribution by asking open-ended questions that invite elaboration and clarification. By practicing active listening, I'll create a supportive environment where all the team members feel heard and valued, paving the way for a productive discussions and collaborative decision making. That's all from me.
So the third one is allowing time. I will give time for my team members to voice their opinions, ensure that everyone has the opportunity to contribute their ideas. And by creating a supportive environment where individuals feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, I could encourage to active participation and ensure diverse perspectives are heard and valued. And I have to make sure there is enough time in the meeting for everyone to speak without feeling rushed. So by allowing sufficient time for discussion, I will ensure that all perspectives are heard and considered before decision making. Before making decision. The third one is ask questions. I will encourage team members to ask clarifying questions to deepen their understanding of other people's perspective. And I will also encourage open-ended questions that invite thoughtful responses and facilitate meaningful dialogue can help uncover underlying different viewpoints. Also, I will emphasize the importance of genuine curiosity and a desire to understand rather than simply waiting for one's turn to speak. And I also have to make sure each members can demonstrate their commitment to understand others' perspective when they are actively engaging in asking questions.
Number five, set a clear agenda. I will setting a clear agenda and sticking to it. Designate a facilitator or monitor to set the conversation back on track if it is starts to refit. I will encourage team members to table unrelated topics of discussion at the later time or address them outside of the meeting. This will make reduce unwanted information and foster effective listening. Number six, sufficient information. I will providing a sufficient information and context to facilitate informed decision making. I will make sure to not use words that lead others to feel left out. This encouraging open dialogue to explore the different perspective and preparative and options. Implement the decision making frameworks or techniques such as consensus building or voting to help the group reach a conclusion.
Next is brainstorm. So, as a leader, I will implement brainstorming by allowing others to write down each other's ideas and asking others to read them. So, this method can make the listening process much more engaging and everyone will be more open to the communication. This method also ensures that everyone's ideas are heard and considered regardless of their speaking styles. So this would also ensure that nobody is feeling left out in the team meeting. Lastly, is ensure follow up. Follow up on unresolved issues or concerns raised during the meeting is crucial for reinforcing the importance of active listening and ensuring that everyone feels heard and understood. So I will make sure to reach out to the team members who express concerns or raise unresolved issues during the team meeting. I will also schedule individual meetings to delve deeper into their thoughts or perspectives and address any laundering questions or doubts. I would also offer support to these team members by acknowledging their concerns and explore potential solutions together. For instance, I would let them know that it is okay to have different opinions from others. This will make them to feel much more confident and comfortable in a team setting. So the next time they would have the courage to talk in a team setting and also enhance active listening.
Now we are looking into the conclusion. As a conclusion, we can conclude that fostering open communication and active listening in team meetings is crucial for ensuring that everyone feels heard and understood. By implementing these ideas outlined, we have created an inclusive environment where diverse perspectives are respected, differences is solved, or decision made. Therefore, this leads to a much enhanced team dynamics and also a more informed and effective decision making. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.